Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video and now I have my DJI Mini microphone. You can see guys, this is the new device and this device I have to unbox and now I will show you what have the future inside this device. This is a DJI microphone mini new and this will give you the backup for the 48 hours working time. One microphone is for 10 gram and mini size, you can see with the magnet, and this is very easy to use, just plug and play. And guys, you have two transmitter on this device and one microphone is working for 8 hours backup time. And guys, we have two mic and one receiver. This is the receiver, you can see, so cute looking and mini small size microphone. And you have a keys for the type C port. All the phone now is available for the type C iPhone, and all the Android phone is type C port. So if you have iPhone 16, 15 or Samsung, any other Android device, so you can use this type C. Or if you have the camera DSLR, if you have the DSLR or the GoPro or the Insta360, any other camera, you can use this 3.5 audio jack cable. And guys, if you have to iPhone old model, if you have the lighting cable, you have to buy this small size DJI micro, this port, you have to extra buy this one. And what you have inside this camera, so first of all I show you how to use. So this is the type C microphone and just plug and play. Also you can use, this is for the type C to type C port, also supported with this device, type C port, and 3.5 audio jack port. And guys, you just plug and play, just plug type C and nothing you have to do. You just download the software and after that you can use. You can see now I have only one microphone I using and another microphone is here. So you can use this microphone for magnetic system. You can see this is the magnetic system. You can use very simple, you can use and with your phone, and no need to any wire anything. And you have the cute DJI bag for the microphone, and this is very nice guys. I like the DJI product. I have already Rode microphone wireless me. This is only single transmitter, so I want two microphone, that's why I buy this DJI case. And when you have low battery, you just put inside the case for the 10 minutes, so you can use for the 1 hour or more than 1 hour. When you have to go to long drive, no need always to charge this. You just put inside this case and you can use for one time charge, you can use 48 hours. And guys, this have on software, DJI microphone software. You can use the software, you can close on microphone, you can change some noise cancellator, you can use the two-way noise cancellator, or you can use inside the DJI microphone, DJI Action 5 camera, and also the DJI Pocket 3. You can use without transmitter, just click and connect with this transmitter. This the link, you just open the DJI microphone connection and open this link. After that you can see connect with your microphone. So when you see the blue and green, this can connect with your microphone with your camera, this action camera. So also you can use another all the device, you can see all the device you can use for 360. You can use to GoPro, you can use the DSLR camera, any type of DSLR camera if you have the 3.5 audio jack. So guys, I have always DJI gimbal. This is the DJI gimbal OM6, and I have the DJI gimbal OM4. You can see these two DJI gimbal I have, and I like these two gimbal. And guys, this is a good quality microphone. So if you a content creator or the blogger, you can make a good voice with this device, this DJI microphone. You can make a good video good voice quality. So guys, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. And guys, in this device have minus 12 dB, minus 6 dB for audio microphone, and here is for the medium 00, and here is plus 6, and here is 12.6. If you make 12.6 is giving you the high sound quality. So here is the power key. This device you can use for the power key for making device 1. And then here is 3.5 audio jack, and this is the linking for your device to DJI any other device. And here is the 10-gram microphone, the transmitter. Here is the power key for this transmitter. You can see where is the turn on the line, this light, you can see your device is connecting. And then this link device for your DJI 5 action camera or any other device. If you want to connect without receiver, you just press power on, and here is the magnetic system, you can see guys. So it's automatic will be connect. And now I will connect to the Samsung phone. Type C, you can connect with iPhone, connect with any other phone. Again I connect. See, here is the working. So here is the studio, left right. So I just took hello, and here is hello. So now you can use mono or studio if you want the both of coming one sound. If you want studio is left right. So I want to use the mono type because I want only one sound. So I go to the sound quality and check. Now is this color, and I make the video. Hello. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? Can you hear my voice? And now giving it the 0.6 sound quality. Hello guys. And minus 12. Hello. This is the minus 12 dBi sound quality, and here is plus 6. Hello. Check mic check. Hello. Hello. This is the 12 plus mic sound check, and now I will see the result. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? Can you hear my voice? And now giving it the 0.6 sound quality. Hello guys. And minus 12. Hello. This is the minus 12 dBi sound quality, and here is plus 6. Hello. Check mic check. Hello. Hello. This is the 12 plus mic sound check, and now I will see the result. Too much if you make this. So this is the different. So you can put this orange color, or you minus 6 if you want. In the outside you see the too much noise, so you can make the minus 12. So guys, this is the DJI device, the best device I think. Ever I check the microphone, so I return back all everything. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. So here is the charging socket for the charge this case, and this way you can put the microphone inside and it will be charged automatically. Okay, and here is the type C charger port. You can charge with your mobile phone adapter, original charge. See, and here is the filter, pop filter, and is 3.5 audio jack for your others.
So ready?
Check this 100 meter. He is going now.
Trip 000 এখান থেকে স্টার্ট করলাম. Okay, ready 1 2 3.
And his moving microphone. Number 1. Only one microphone. So you can see he is there, and disconnect. And microphone is disconnect, maybe 200 meter. And he has come back from there, and now I think will be auto connect. You can see now is connecting, auto connect. He's moving there. of that building.
Yeah, it's
and
Maman
second
Bhai.
lamp of the light from there. Come back from here. Now also the connecting and now disconnect. See, long distance. And also connect
Fine.
from there. It's long distance. It's good. Check.
10.
I hope
Yeah.
it's working perfectly.
Hey, Maman Bhai.